Alright, time to die. Hey, I can't use my weapon on the back. Bummer. So, I guess we'll go there-ish? Somewhere in there? Oh, you're getting on the road, aren't you? Oh, look out! Oh, turn around. I can't use my gun on the back. It sucks, but... So... Somebody shoots at us, run like hell.
Here's me going that fast.
Oh! There's a vehicle. Somebody parked that there. That's not a spawn.
I hear somebody.
There's a buggy. They're in that warehouse behind us. I saw them. That blue building. They're running parallel to us. I can see us behind them.
I hear shots.
Yeah, I'll check this out.
Well, I found painkillers, so there probably hasn't been anybody here, but you never know.
He has a rifle down here. So. There's a UMP down here. Still no scope, though. Anything in there?
Oh, cool! I got a suppressor for my rifle.
Nice. I hear a car.
Now the freaking airplane in here. Oh crap! We gotta move.
Yep. Well, we got a minute. Damn it. There it goes. I still need a scope. Let me look real quick.
I'm gonna run across the street. Look. Oh crap! There's a vehicle here. I don't know if it's a spawn or not.
I read online that if it's pointing east, they all point east when they spawn.
Not any. They fixed that.
It's not, oh, did they?
Yeah. That used to be true.
There's that tidbit too about how people always peek right, so shoot left.
Oh yeah, a little tip I learned online, Bill. That when you're fighting somebody tree to tree or behind a tree, always keep your scope on the left side of the tree because people tend to aim on the right hand side.
Level
They-
3 military here. In that little building. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the motorcycle.
All right, so I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna be taking some damage soon. Oh, this is no man's land out here. Go all the way up here. Go all the way up there.
Car right in front of me.
Oh, somebody in there. Run! We could have probably taken him out. Oh well.
Oh, you want to go all the way up there?
Well, that's where the next circle's gonna go, right?
I hear the vehicle.
Yeah. Oh, it's a buggy on our right.
What the hell?
It's a buggy on our right. See him? They haven't seen us yet. Bill, I got him pinned down. Come back. I got my one kill and he's behind a tree. You can flank him right now. He's shooting at me. Come on down here and kill him. Oh, he's running now. Got him. Come on down and loot him, Bill. Both of them. Ah, 2x scope. All kinds of good stuff here. Frag grenades. Oh, Bill's game's crashed. Oh, man.